Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chadel Mathre. Today we are going to review the Garnier WholeBlends Legendary Olive line. Specifically, we're going to review the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. So let's start with the shampoo. This shampoo was very viscous, but it had a great consistency. It was thick, but not overly thick. It spread well throughout my hair. I must also say that this shampoo gives a very thorough clean. So it is not overly stripping, but it does what it is supposed to do, which is to clarify the hair and the scalp. And so it lathers very, very well. In fact, it almost lathers too well, as you will see shortly. It is one of these shampoos where if you don't wash thoroughly, you would have some shampoo remaining in your hair. So ensure that you're washing it out thoroughly. It does a very good job of cleaning your hair and scalp. And for me, that's very, very important because I am prone to an itchy scalp. So I don't like product buildup on my hair. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this shampoo a 7. As you guys know, I'm not very, very fussy about shampoos. As long as they do the job without drying my hair out too much, I am okay with a shampoo. Those that have moisturizing capacities get a few extra points from me, but apart from that, shampoos are shampoos for me, and I'm not super picky about those. So let's go on to the conditioner. After shampooing, I go directly into putting a rinse out conditioner in my hair. And this is typically when I would detangle my hair. Even if I've done a very brief detangling session before my pre-poo session, this is typically when I do the heavy lifting of the detangling of my hair. So as you can see, I apply the WholeBlends conditioner to my hair, and you can see that it goes onto my hair very, very smoothly. My hair absorbs it, it distributes well, which is excellent for conditioners. And you could also see that it is thick, and by now you guys should know that a thick conditioner is my preference. I finger detangle first, and then I go in with my detangling brush. At this point in time, I was still using the colored detangling brush, but you guys, I need to come in and give you guys the tea. I have found a detangling brush that I think is even better than the color one, although I still love the color one. But yes, I go in with a finger detangling. I ensure that my hair is detangled well. And I must say that I was pleasantly surprised by this conditioner. It has good slip for a drugstore conditioner. Honey, it has good slip, it is thick, it is moisturizing, all the things that you need in a conditioner for type 4 hair. For any hair, but especially for type 4 hair, especially if you're going to be using tools as well. So as you can see, this conditioner aided the brush in detangling my hair even faster and better. And you can see all of my strands coming into alignment when the brush is passed through. You can see that I had some tangles as well, and this conditioner enabled me to work through these tangles. Because it has slip, the strands are able to slip past each other without knotting up while I'm trying to finger detangle. So that is excellent. The conditioner coated my strands very, very well. I love a conditioner that gives you a frothy excess on your hand. Love that. It doesn't replace my Herbal Essences Hello Hydration, but this is a conditioner that I would pick up again actually. So yes, if I was in a bind and I couldn't find my Herbal Essences, I would definitely pick up this conditioner. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would actually give this conditioner an 8.5. It does a good job. I don't have any complaints about it. For my hair, which is very picky with conditioners, I actually liked this conditioner, so I'm going to give it an 8.5. You guys know that after rinse out conditioners come deep conditioners, but I didn't have a deep conditioner from the WholeBlends line, so I skipped that part. And now we are on to the leave-in conditioner from the WholeBlends line. I apply my leave-in conditioner after the shower, after my hair has dropped a lot of the water that it has. It is still about 85% wet, but it is not dripping heavily at this point. So I apply a healthy amount of leave-in conditioner to my section, and I always follow up with an oil of some kind. In this video, it is my shea butter mix, so I apply a little to seal in the moisture from the water and my leave-in conditioner, which is water-based. And I simply twist up my hair, guys. I twist up my hair so that it does not shrink. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that my hair shrinks about 50 to 60% if I let it. And so this is my way of stretching in this video. I stretch with different methods, but this is the method that I use most. And guys, about the leave-in conditioner, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a solid 7. Not because anything is lacking, it's just not my favorite leave-in conditioner, but it is very moisturizing. It is thick like the conditioner, but it has a gentle moisture as opposed to the type of moisture from my Mixtures J Cosmetics leave-in conditioner. It does a good job. I still use it to date, and if I am going to put in a protective style or I want to refresh my hair during the week and I don't want to use my expensive stuff, this is definitely a leave-in conditioner that I would use. So overall, I think the line worked very well together. I really enjoyed the product, surprisingly, and I would definitely recommend the line if you're looking for a drugstore brand and you don't know what to choose. This is something that you can use. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done, and it gets the job done well. It's accessible and it is affordable.
Crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown so heavy. My crown so heavy.